Hello. Well, can't say I'm not a man of my word. I just thank you for entertaining my my little curiosity. I just want to see what type of reach I had out there. So I said, hey, if I get 20 likes, I think I'll sneeze tonight. So I'm like, okay. It has been a while since I've done a really fun sneeze wave, so I think I'll do a longer one here for you. So I'm actually going to use. I know I said I'm just going to mostly use the inducing tool I talked about, but I'll use a little chinkney on one side just to wake it up. I don't think it'll plug me up. We'll see. I'm glad you guys like the vocals too. It amuses me. I'm basically just doing old cartoon style. It's just I always liked that style of vocalizing because they always took forever. So. Put some bright light on. I feel it tickle already. Oh. 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 Huh? Achoo! Achoo! Oh, it went away. Achoo! Oh. Achoo! Oh. Achoo! Oh, it tickles so much. Achoo! Much. Oh. Oh. Huh? Huh? Achoo! Achoo! I'm gonna try to stifle a few. Achoo! My nose for a second. Try the other side now. Sniffly now, aren't I? Oh, it tickles. Oh. 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 I'm ready to sneeze. Teasing. Right side not as sensitive. Going back to left. Issue. Issue. See if I can do two at once to end this one. Maybe it'll do something. Oh. Issue. It tickled. Issue. 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 Oh my god. Okay, that was fun. Hope you liked it. Oh, it does feel good to sneeze.